Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present this Suzuki Swift Attitude 1.2 litre engine. As you can see, the vehicle's finished in burning red metallic. The Attitude comes with extra styling. So we take a close look here, you can see the carbon fibre effect trim running across the bottom. This continues down the side of the vehicle and ties in very nicely with the polished alloys. I'll give you a close up there. The vehicle itself is in immaculate condition, been very well looked after. It's done just 1100 miles. Let's take a look at the features inside the Attitude. So you've got integrated controls, the steering wheel for Bluetooth with voice command and audio, automatic headlights as well as electric adjustable wing mirrors. The interior, like the exterior, is immaculate, and you've got this integrated 7-inch colour touchscreen. This will allow you to have DAB digital radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and you've also got the Apple and Android CarPlay to sync with your mobile phone, air conditioning and 2 charging points for mobile devices. Take a look in the rear. You can seat 3 comfortably. You've got ISOFIX for children's car seats, as well as the side impact columns for extra safety and good leg room. Continue with the exterior. You've got tinted privacy glass on 3 sides, and you can see you've also got colour-coded spoiler and the carbon trim running there also. Vehicle also features reversing camera. And before leaving, the vehicle will be fully prepped in our workshop, all the work being carried out by Suzuki trained technicians. Overall, it's a lovely car, great spec, in excellent condition.